Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. This video is long overdue, about 3 months ago, 4 months ago. I apologize for that delay. It's just that I've been caught up with all these crazy ideas of how to make my new Yaris better than my first one. As far as like the first boiler exhaust on the Yaris, full boiler exhaust, not just one or two parts. Um, Color scheme. I'm gonna do the interior and all that other stuff. But back to what this video is for. Now this is for the VLAN projector headlights. As you see here, this is the second gen. Um, this same procedure goes for the first gen, and there's various other companies that produces this kind of projector headlight for the Yaris. This goes from 2007 all the way to 2012 models, sedans only. Um, all you basically need is just a Phillips head, and the bulb size you need is a 8-7 bulb, 2-prong. Um, I'm also going. If you guys watch my eye sensor LED unboxing video, I said that I'm not 100% sure this is going to fit this headlight due to the overall length. Basically because of the turbo fan. If this doesn't fit, learn from my mistake. It's the mini that will fit this headlight. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna try installing this. If it doesn't fit, just know if you got this headlight or something similar for the Yaris, get the mini. All right, so let's get on to it. So let's turn this around. Also, you ain't gonna be able to change the bulb on the car. And the reason for that is you got 5 screws all around. They all Phillips head. If you go to my VLAN projector headlight installation, you'll see how the process of how I get the headlight off the car. I say sometime I'll also keep this video short. So what you want to do? Undo the 5 screws. That's one. And I'm also going to show you the procedure of how to close the headlight, because if you work on engines on the car, you know, like how you gotta tighten down in a certain pattern and all that, or a water pump. It's pretty much the same procedure. I'll show you that after we get done with this. Now, I'm not gonna edit this video just so you can see how long it takes to change the bulb. Minus the time that it takes to take it off the car, which isn't long. And I'm doing this with my left hand and I'm right-handed. But anyways, this last part wants to be a problem. All right, so once you pull this back, this is the low beam, and that back there is the high beam. My hand is too big, so if you got smaller hands, you'll have a lot better luck, but I don't really use my high beam. But the same procedure I'm gonna show you for the low beam applies to the high beam. So what you wanna do, disconnect it. And if you can see, it's tightened down with, I'm not sure exactly what you call these, but just push it down. Let me switch hands, try to give you a better view. Push it down and around. Same thing here. You want to lift it up, and then slowly pull it out. You don't want it scraping. So this is the bulb you're gonna need. All right. So see if this could focus. I can't remember on the use. Yeah, there you go. H7. So now for the purpose of this video, we're gonna chop the eye sensor. So what you want to do, same procedure, sticking out the hydrogen, pop that in, and then you're going to set this around. So I'm going to set the camera down for a second and do it real quick for you. Alright, so now, as you can see, it got a high, positive, and negative. You can focus. Alright, with the flash on, well, there you go, positive, negative. Now what you want to do, if you don't know, positive goes to the red wire. Negative goes to the black wire, which is also called the ground. So please, this is not reverse polarity or nothing. Make sure you connect it to the right thing. So what you want to do, plug it in. See, positive, red, negative, black or ground. So let's close this, see if this will fit. All right, so yeah. So those of y'all that get the headlight, this headlight, any projector headlight, don't go with the one with the turbo fan. Get the mini. This ain't gonna fit. It's not gonna close all the way. So I'm gonna set the camera down again. I'm gonna take this out real quick. So bear with me. All right, so I got that out. So it's the H7. If you want to go with hydrogen, get the H7. Halogen, sorry. So what you want to do, pop this back in. Drop it down. Switch hands again. And make sure you get around each one of these. And then once you get the clip on, there you go. Now this is reverse polarity. So you either side you can put it on, unlike the LED. And then just push this back in. And then put this on as so. And then just put the screws in. Shit. All right, let me set the camera down so I can put these screws real quick. Bear with me. All right. So, oh, I'm missing a screw. There you go. So now when you're closing it for this to seal properly, the gasket, you want to, like any screw you work on, say you start on this, you want to tighten this first and go down across, tighten that next. Or if you start from here, tighten that first and then come down and do that. Oh, then do this with that and then that. So whatever screw you start from, tighten down. Like I'm gonna do this one. I'm not sure if I'm really explaining it that great to y'all. Sorry for that. I'm used to just working on the car and just doing it. I'm still trying to get used to this whole YouTube video thing. So as you can see, I did this one first, and then that, and then this one, and then that, and then that last. And that will make sure the gasket properly seals around the headlight housing, and that will prevent any moisture from getting in and all that stuff. So once again, I apologize that this video was super late. Just with all the stuff I got going on, all these crazy ideas I'm thinking about doing for the new Yaris. But that's it. Stay tuned. I got plenty more videos, updates for you guys. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.